learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome to another edition of Hakka Training on ICRT. This month we're taking you to Miaoli County and a township known as Towu. Now, there are a lot of great country roads over here. There's one that's Route 22, and I heard there's a lot of great places we should visit. Leo's going to take us on this trip very soon. 今天呢，我要跟这个 Leo 在苗栗这边碰面啊，就是要去头屋乡，沿着苗22乡道要来一个一日游啊，真的好期待。待会儿呢，就让 Leo 当我们的导游喽。Hello, Leo， 再次来到你的这个家乡苗栗县了，对不对？
对啊。
听说你要跟我一起在苗栗县头屋乡这边，要沿着22乡道啊，来一个一日游啊。
对啊，这苗22乡道呢，其实这边有很多的石洞哦。那我们现在先来去看那个沙管隐寺好了。
沙管隐寺，石观音寺吗？
对，当年有一个居民呢，他的猪跑掉了，不见了，结果他们就去那边祈祷，希望说这个神灵能够帮助他找到，结果猪就出现了，后来他就捐献了这个沙管营这个神像。
了解，然后还有哪里呢？
接下来我们就来去横跨了头屋乡跟士坦乡的鸣凤古道好了。
古道的意思，古人留下来的道路嘛，是不是？
对啊，这是客家先民早期运送货物啊、运送物资的一条道路。
哦，哇，很有历史性，然后现在还存在的。
对啊。
要爬这些东西，要走这些路啊，我们还是吃点东西先。
那我带你去吃非常有名的蛋黄面好了。
我听说这边有蛋黄面很有名，是蛋黄放在面上面，对不对？
不是
哦，
是把蛋黄都揉到面里头，所以在吃的时候你就可以吃到蛋黄的营养跟蛋黄的香味。
就像意大利墨鱼面也是一样，这个精华已经在面里头了，那就更应该要尝试一下啦。
对啊，
好，先去吃，然后再去逛这些地方喽。
好。
There's a country road in Miaoli that's really special. Route 22 is a mountain road full of interesting caves to check out. A well-known one in Feifeng village is known as the Stone Guanyin Temple for the statue of the Bodhisattva of the same name inside. Nearby there's also Mingfeng Mountain Road. It's an old hunting path turned important transport route that now attracts nature lovers from far and wide. After all that hiking, the best place to refill your belly is back at the bottom, where you'll find all kinds of delicious Hakka food.
好，那 Leo 我们要教大家一些客语喽。
好，没问题。
包括我们要走的古道，对不对 ？An old path， 古道。
古偷，
然后都是用走路的啦，健康喽。走路 to walk。
行路，
然后最后走累了要吃面啦。
生面
that means to eat some noodles. Don't miss out. And that does it for today's Hakka training.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.